Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this images to frame edit on Canva. So it's going to turn this image into a frame. Go to the app section here, which is it's here, and type in image to frame. You're going to select this one and you're going to select open. You're either going to choose a file, and I'm going to choose this file, and I'm going to select convert image to frame. Just going to wait for that to generate, and as you can see, it has now turned into a frame that you can use for other images. Let me just try to find like an image that I can add here. Maybe this one. So I can just place it inside of that like image silhouette or whatever. But that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.